How to make origami carnation. Do you want to know how easy to make origami carnation in a few steps? I will help you to make paper carnation. From small squares of paper, you will make carnation today using origami technique. The whole process is described in detail in this masterclass. The time you will need to make this craft is approximately 15 minutes. Okay, let's get started. You will need red and green paper, ruler, pencil, PVA glue and scissors. Step 1. Prepare materials. To create this carnation, prepare the necessary materials. Step 2. Take a paper square. Our carnation will consist of separate petals, and the blank for each petal will be a square of red paper with a side of 7 centimeters. Step 3. Make a triangle from the square. Fold the square diagonally to make a triangle. Step 4. Fold the triangle in half. Then fold the triangle in half to make a small triangle. Step 5. Create the first petal. It remains to fold one of the corners in the opposite direction, combining the left edges of the blank. One of the petals is ready. Step 6. Repeat the previous step 11 times. You need to make 11 of these blanks using the previous method. Step 7. Use glue for the petal. Now we will connect the petals into a flower. To do this, unfold the left edge of the blank and smear with glue. Step 8. Glue the second petal. On this side, insert the second petal and glue. Step 9. Make a blank of 5 petals. In the same way as described above, make a blank consisting of 5 petals. Step 10. Make 2 blanks with glued 3 petals. Additionally, make 2 more blanks with 3 petals in each. Step 11. Make a finished flower bud. Now, glue the small blank of 3 petals on top of the big blank of 5 petals, shifting it a little lower. Fix the second blank of 3 petals with glue from the back side. Step 12. Prepare several elements of green paper. For the flower bed of the flower, take a couple of blanks, which are made similarly to the petals, and from a small strip of green paper, twist a tube, which will become the stem. Step 13. Fix the green parts to the red ones. Glue these details at the bottom of the carnation bud. Step 14. Make a carnation leaf. It remains to make leaves for your flower. You will make them from a square blank, which first fold diagonally, and then to the diagonal line, fold the edges of the square. Step 15. Fold the corners to the line. Fold the bottom side corners to the middle. Step 16. Fold the bottom part. Fold the bottom corner up to the middle of the workpiece. Step 17. Shape a leaf. Now fold the blank in half and slightly curl the upper part. Step 18. Make a second leaf. Make a second leaf of the same kind, using the method described from above. Step 19. Finish the origami craft. Glue the leaves to the stem. You will get an origami carnation, as on the video. And there you have it, your very own origami carnation. I hope you enjoyed this creative journey with us. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more fantastic origami tutorials. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep folding and exploring the world of paper art. Until next time, happy crafting!